Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about how to create and insert a signature in Gmail. First, we need to create the signature, and to create the signature, we need Word. And here we have a blank document, an empty document. And to create the signature, you can switch to the web layout because it's made for HTML, and the signature is going to be at the end an HTML file or code. And you can stay here in the print layout because the engine behind Word is HTML. So when we copy the signature from Word, it's going to be at the end also an HTML file or code. Let's now start creating the signature. And the signature is going to be a table. And to insert a table, we need to go to Insert and then use a table. And we can use maybe 3 rows in the table. We can make it smaller. And why we are using tables? Because tables are safe in emails. They will be responsive on all devices. So that's why we use tables. And then let's remove the borders. And let's turn on the grid lines to see what we are doing. And here we have just a simple table. And now we just need to copy paste the signature. Let's copy first the full name, job title, or I forgot something. This is going to be the first row. Maybe you can remove the bold from the company and the title, and you can just leave the name in bold, or we can remove them all. Then let's go to contact details. Let me make it a little bit bigger. And here we have kind of a simple signature. It's done now. So we need to go now to Gmail. Here's my Gmail. And in order to use the signature, we need to go to the settings. And it's here in this area, this gear icon. And here we have different options. And we need to go to see all settings. And here under see all settings, we can go scroll down to signatures and then create new. And here we can use the name that we want and then create. And here we have the test signature that I've just created. And now we need to go back to Word. And in order to copy it, you need to go to this plus icon or just do Control A, select all, and then copy either with the right mouse button or Control V. Then back here to Gmail, and we paste simply the signature in this window here. It's difficult to edit the signature here. If you need to adjust anything, it's better to go back to Word and adjust it there and then do again copy paste to Gmail. Here we have a couple of options. So for new emails, we can use the test signatures. For reply or forward, we can use another signature. And if we want to create another signature, it's also the same, create new, and then we can go test 2. And here we have the second one. And so for forward or reply, you can use test 2. So there are these kinds of formatting that are in the mail. And so here you can control where is the signature is going to be. And at the end, we need to save the changes because if we don't save the changes, it's not going to be active. We will lose what we did here. That was all for today. Hope you learned something from the video. And that was all for today. Hope you learned something from the video. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.